We don't replace your team, we make them unstoppable. Are you tired of fighting your marketing? You've tried freelancers who ghost? You've paid agencies that burn cash? Your internal team is maxed out. Savage steps in to take the weight off. We integrate with your team, supercharge their output, and finally give you breathing room to scale. Built to move faster. Unlock bigger results together. We believe you deserve total transparency and real-time control. That's why we built LionShare. LionShare is our proprietary platform, designed to make managing your marketing effortless. With our task and project management tools, you can manage every task in one place and collaborate directly with our team. Submit detailed requests in seconds, so nothing ever gets lost in translation. And because we know priorities can change in an instant, you can make live changes to your project queue, ensuring we're always working on what matters most to you. Your first request can deliver real results in the first couple of days, whether that's video edits, ad creatives, graphics, or a high-converting landing page. Book a quick call and we'll scope your priorities in minutes with exact hours and a clear plan to hit your first wins.